Hey guys, my quad lock mount just arrived today, so I thought I'd make a installation video just like I did with my RAM mount here. So let's get to the installation. So starting with the phone case, pretty easy to install. If you already have a case, get rid of it, put a new one in, and that's it. You should have known how to put the case on anyway. So let's get to the handlebar mount installation. Let's see what we have. Okay, so I'm gonna be installing it here. We'll just undo these. Okay, so the smaller size one seems to be the best. Nice and snug. See, it's not moving at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick with that one. So get rid of this white piece and put it on. Alright guys, so that's the quad lock mount done and installed. I didn't end up using the extension, but I did try it with it on, and I preferred it without the extension, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. For the ring, I did use the smaller one, and it is really snug on there. Alright, so the way this thing works is it's built into the case, the locking mechanism, and my phone's the S7 Edge, so lucky for me they support this phone. If they don't support your phone with the cases, you can buy a universal mount and stick it on the back of your phone. So what you do is you just line these up with that, you push down on it. It's a bit tricky at first to find the right spot, but once it does that, you twist and it's locked. To remove it, you just push down on this, twist it back, and it removes. It's that simple. It doesn't hit the fuel tank, and it doesn't hit the windshield. Do that horizontally. Yep, no problems there. So I'll be doing a quick review and comparison with the quad lock mount and RAM mount in my next video, so keep an eye out for that. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, subscribe. Catch you next time.